guys, it's Eric, and so a few hours ago I posted a poll for you guys to answer, and that is, my sweet potatoes, help me decide. Either you guys want me to do the how to get on For You page, or if you guys want me to teach you how to make smooth transitions in this new Musical.ly TikTok update, like what? And 60% of you guys said the smooth transitions, so I'm gonna be doing that, like hello. So let's get on it. For today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could make smooth transitions on Musical.ly/TikTok. And if you guys have been on Musical.ly for a while, way before TikTok took over Musical.ly, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but the camera quality changed so much that in the new Musical.ly TikTok update, the videos look more real-time, I guess you could say. And if you're a transitioner, or if you're someone who likes doing transitions, you might find it a little bit hard to do transitions now, because if you do like some transitions that we used to do on Musical.ly, what happens is that it looks like, you know, sweet potato or something. Let me give you guys an example of what I'm talking about. So I actually filmed a duet with myself when I used to film with the old Musical.ly app, where like the camera is really good for transitions and all of those stuff. And if you guys follow me on Musical.ly, you know that I used to do a lot of spin transitions a lot, like, you know, the ones that I go like doot 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 or something like that. Basically, if I do that now, it doesn't look as good anymore, which is sad. But here's an example. Watch this video closely and you could tell that the camera is just different now. So the one to the right is the old Musical.ly app, and the one to the left is the TikTok one now. Watch out for the spin transition. Like, what is that? It was like As when you look at the old Musical.ly video right there, I did it so smoothly, like, you know, like real good. And that is just one of the problems that I'm having since TikTok took over. But that's okay, because I finally found a fix for that one. But wait, before I spill the beans to you right now, be sure to share, subscribe to my channel, and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know down in the comments, because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. And to these people right here, shout out to them for turning on the post notifications and being so active, like 24/7. And now let's get started. Okay, so for me to be able to do smooth transitions nowadays, what I do is that I use a different app. Like, yes, I use a different app for this one, just because this app that I found uses the same exact frame rate as what the old Musical.ly camera used to have. And if you know a little bit about video stuff, you know that frames matter. Like, if you watch a video that has 60 frames per second, it's gonna look more real time compared to watching a video that is like only, let's say, 23 frames per second. And what Musical.ly used to have is that they have like, I think, 30 frames per second before, and now when you use the new Musical.ly update/TikTok thingy-majiggy, they changed the frame rate, and now it's like around 59 to 60 frames per second, which means that it's gonna look more real time. And if you do transitions with that amount of frames, it's gonna look way different than what it used to look like. I don't know if I make sense right now, but I know so much about video stuff, like, you know, video person. But anyways, that's what's happening at the moment if you're confused why it's different. And the app that I've been using is the Like app, and I think I've mentioned this app to you guys before. And basically this is what I use now to film my transitions, because if I film transitions here, it looks much smoother, and it's also much easier to do good transitions. And that's pretty much it. Let me show you guys the difference. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be filming on this Like app right here, and I'm also gonna be filming the same exact song as what I'm gonna use on this one on the Musical.ly TikTok app, and you will see the difference right there. So for this video, I'm gonna be using this song. Uh-oh, I forgot how to do this heart thingamajig. I haven't done this in a while, guys. Okay, so for this one, pay attention to the spin transition that I did. As you can see there, it is really smooth, and that is what we like with our transitions. And also the ripple transition actually works here much better, as you can see right there. And that is also what we want. So basically that's how my video turned out on this one. And now we're gonna be doing the same exact song and transitions in the Musical.ly app, and we will see the difference. Let's see. What is that? What is that? I don't know if you guys could tell, but like the spin right there, you can see that the camera looks like it's just doing like like that instead of like doing the full 360 or something like that. Also, whenever I do cuts on a transition, it looks so obvious that it is a different cut, if that makes sense. Like on down where I just put in the paper like that, it looks so obvious compared to the other video that I filmed on the Like app. It doesn't look as obvious that I stop recording there and continue again. I don't know if it's just me, but I just could see that it is so smooth when you do transitions now on the Like app instead of the TikTok app. Okay, you guys decide. I'm going to be putting both videos right here from the Like app and also the TikTok app, and let me know in the comments down below if you think it is much more smoother in either Like app or TikTok app, because for me I think it's the Like app. I'm just like, oh my goodness, very smooth. So let's play all the clips right now. So that is how those two look like, and what do you guys think? Which one is more smoother? Is it the Like app or the TikTok app? Let me know down in the comments. Also, another thing, by the way, is that on the Like app, what I really like about this app is that you could film your Musical.lys on here, and also you could save it without any watermarks at all. Like, if you know for TikTok right now, if you save a Musical.ly right there, it shows like a TikTok sign and you're using it on the top, and then it switches to the bottom and it goes back to the top again. Like, hello, why are you jumping right now? But for this Like app, they have this thing where you level up, and for me, I'm level 47. And if you reach a certain level, eventually if you save videos from the Like app, it's not gonna show any watermarks at all because they take it out. They're like, get out or something like that. If you reach level 25, it says remove watermark. So basically you can save your own videos without any watermark, which is amazing, and that is what we want. So that we could upload it to the Musical.ly app without anyone asking like how you do smooth transitions. Be like, watch this tutorial right now. And for you guys to level up faster, if you want, you could repost your old Musical.lys on this one so that you level up much more and then eventually reach level 25, so you could save your transitions from the Like app without any watermarks in the video. Also, another thing is that if you want to learn new transitions and all of those stuff, I actually made tons of transitions tutorials for you guys like a long time ago, and I'm gonna be leaving the links down in the description for you guys to click on so you could watch those videos and try on those transitions if you haven't yet, and that'll be amazing. If you guys make transition videos, please put in the hashtag SkySpam so I could watch them and maybe comment on some of you guys' videos, because I've been watching tons of you guys' videos on Musical.ly TikTok, and you guys are actually really good, and I'm just like, compared to my video, I'm just like, what, this small bean? I'm the small bean and then you're the big bean, if you know what I mean. And that's pretty much how you could do smooth transitions on the new update. Before we end this video though, let's film another transition to make sure that it is the right app to do transitions with. So I'm gonna be using this song. Baby Ariel. I don't know what I'm doing right now, like that is so not Baby Ariel. Oh yeah, for this one as well, if you film your transitions here, it's actually really nice because let's say you film something like, as you can see here, it leaves like this shadow thingamajig of what the last thing you did. And what you could do if you're doing transitions is that, let's say you're doing like, you know, like a pop-up of this or something, you could just match your face with the last frame like that, and you could be like, money! Money! Oh! Yes! What's really cool about this one too is that you could do the ripple transitions much easier on this one because it films your video in a less frame rate, and similar to the old Musical.ly app, you could do the ripple transition easily like that compared to the new Musical.ly TikTok app. And that's pretty much it. So that is pretty much it on how you could film smooth transitions on Musical.ly TikTok with the new update. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know that in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a Musical.ly and you don't follow me yet, be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay? Okay. Bye!
Alright.